Home maintenance tip of the day is to restore power to any dead outlets you may have. Once a year, it's a good idea to go around the house and make sure that they're all working by simply plugging in a lamp, or if you happen to have an outlet tester by any chance, is to use your outlet tester to not only make sure that it has power, but that it's also been wired correctly. This is also a good time to check and make sure that you have GFI outlets, which stands for ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, by any plumbing fixture or wet area. These outlets are the outlets that have the test and reset buttons on them, and they just help protect you should something electrical fall in the sink or get wet. It shuts down the power so that nobody gets hurt. If you don't have power to outlets, or you're missing GFI outlets, at these wet areas, I recommend having an electrician install them, especially if you're thinking about selling your house. These two items come up a lot during a home inspection, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to be proactive and just go ahead and get them fixed before you put your house on the market.